dances Saunter Together. We commence in ballroom hold, facing the line of dance. The dance commences with 2 walks and a zigzag. And a zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now going to step outside of partner with a little check, left hip to left hip. So we're going to check and back to the side. We repeat the check, but this time right hip to right hip and check. We finish this little section with a back together, bringing lady in front to finish facing against the line of dance. Quick, quick. So I'll show that just one more time. So our 2 walks, slow, slow the zigzag, quick, 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 quick to the check, slow, back to the side, check, and back together. Now we repeat those 4 bars, but this time we do the same steps, moving against the line of dance. Still gentleman click starting on the left, lady on the right. 2 walks, and our zigzag, forward, side, behind to the side. Check outside on the left side, outside on the right side. But this time, the dance finishes in promenade. Back together into our promenade position. So we can go from the beginning to there, that's the halfway stage. Ready, and 2 walks and the zigzag, 1, 2, outside check, slow, check the other side, and back together. 2 walks and your zigzag, outside check, check on the other side, back together, finishing in promenade. And that's the first half of the dance. Now from here, our next 4 bars, we're going to walk 2 walks into a change of place with a gentleman passing across in front of the lady. 2 walks, slow, slow cross, quick, quick, slow, into what we call a fall away position. Now we're going to step forward to the side and cross behind, opening out into double hold. Quick, quick, slow. Now we have this unusual little twist where the boy twists on both feet and the lady runs round, and quick, 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 ending facing wall and partner. So can I show you that little bit again? Because that's the tricky little bit of Saunter Together. So 2 walks, crossing over, quick, quick, slow, into our change of place and fall away. Now we're going to step forward to the side into double hold and cross behind again. The lady, as she runs round and twists the boy, dancing all quicks and quick, 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 and we finish facing partner and the wall. So if Sue and I could go from the beginning as far as there. 2 walks and the zigzag, into outside check on left side, outside check on right side, and back together. 2 walks against the line, and your zigzag. Outside check on the left side, outside check on the right side, and back into promenade. 2 walks to change of place, and a quick, quick, slow, fall away the other way into double hold, and lady runs round, quick, quick, quick. Now I'm sure if you found that tricky, you can rewind your tape and have several goes, and I'm sure you'll all master it. Now, we have our last 4 bars. Gentleman left foot, lady right. We're going to chassé along the line of dance. 1, 2, 3. Now this time the gentleman chassés against the line, but the lady is going to turn to her left to back the gentleman. Now just watch. Quick, quick, slow. And we finish back in our shadow hold. So may we show you that one more time? So here's our chassé along the line. Quick, quick, slow. Gentleman chassé, lady turns. Quick, 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 quick. And we hold both hands in shadow hold. We both now have the weight on the right foot. So we're going to step forward down the line of dance, both on the left foot and point. Left foot forward and point right foot. Now here again, it differs slightly. The lady is going to do a solo turn to her right, and the gentleman is just going to go forward, brush, side, close. Quick, 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 and we adopt our starting position. So maybe I could just show you the last 4 bars one more time, and I'll count it for you. So it's quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, lady turns, both on the left foot into the point, lady spins round and finishes in ballroom hold facing the line. Now I'm sure that wasn't too difficult, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this little dance very much. And now we'd like to put all the sections together and show you the complete dance. Ready, and slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, back together. 2 walks, the zigzag, the outside check, and finishing promenade. 2 walks to change of place, fall away into double hold, lady runs round untwisting the boy. We chassé back with lady's turn, both on the left foot step and point the right, lady solo turn, boy forward brush, side close to our commencing position. That wasn't too difficult.